Good morning. Reporting here from lovely Phoenix, Arizona. You see the beautiful mountains right behind me. Gucci from Gucci's Garage reporting again. But we are working with a Dodge Caravan. I'm recording from my phone right now. We got our Can-Am right there. A video coming soon on the Can-Am, I promise you guys. So I don't have no check engine light on this Caravan because I reset the codes for emissions. We already passed our Arizona emissions with ADEQ. I do have two lights on. They have to do with traction control. The code that's throwing me, it's a P0573, and that's relating. And the next, it's relating to this here, to the harness and to the brake pedal. That's our problem right there. We can't shift the gears. Here is what's faulty right here. It's what's bad right here behind your brake pedal. Oh shit! I'll find the correct name for this. I'll let you guys know. What is this here? So you just have to, make sure. I think it goes like, I don't know how I took it off, but when I put it back on, I'll show you guys. Or when I take it off the other one, I'll show you guys right now. So I got that off there. And we're gonna take it off and compare it to the one that we have already in the backyard. But first we gotta take the harness out. You see I unclipped it from right there, and then we're gonna clip it from there. This is basically a sensor. And this is for Town and Country and Dodge Caravans. I think it's only from, I think they made these from 08 to 2010, because from 11 to 2017 they changed. That's the Kia Soul that we were working on last video. It's already ready for sale, clean, detailed. We're facing a pandemic right now, so make sure you're carrying that hand sanitizer. We're gonna have a COVID-19 experience coming soon as well. And is this one the one that I'm working? Yes, it is. It is this one here. Let's see where you are. Bingo. It's right there. So how I took it off, I just simply twisted it. Did I? It's hard to do this with just one hand. There you go. So I just twisted it, snapped it off. Okay, there you go. We let the harness loose. Oh, nope, not yet. It has to go all the way. There you go. And it says here on both, do not reinstall. So that's the bad one. We're gonna leave that one there because we don't care much about that one. Install it, but let's take that key off first. I hate that freaking noise. Let me get something to support my knees, because I already got dirty myself. That's the least of my worries, but I want to live forever, have strong knees, man. Okay, so we have to put it in there. But first we're gonna, let me see if I can get it to stay somewhere here where you guys can see. Damn. There you go. So we're gonna connect it first. Make sure when you guys install this part, connect it first and then go right behind the pedal. Don't go up underneath. And see, the one that we just took off, it has the symbol for Chrysler because it's the same thing, Mopar. Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge. Okay, you see these? These are basically the that's basically the guide. And we're gonna slip it in there and twist it. So let's see if that works. It did not work. Video, and right now it was twisted like this. It was like this, right? So twist it to the position that it needs to be. I saw the video and that's how it's supposed to be. Gotta make sure that the harness is on right. I forgot to clip that too. The red security. Just got this van from the car wash, so that's why I have these mats. Came back on. No check engine light. Like I said, guys, earlier in the video, make sure you're taking all the safety precautions you need. Wear your mask. Carry your hand sanitizer with you. I am at my local Circle K, and no check engine light, right? Look, you see no lights are on the dashboard no more. And we're shifting gears. Right on. Okay, and this is when where I sign out and tell you guys to subscribe. Please share this video, like it, give it a thumbs up if it was of good use to you. Be aware of more videos coming out soon. Thank you so much for the support. You guys have a good day.